Welcome back, Wizards. This video is designed to assist you in refining your proficiency in navigating through your Excel workbook. First method, using arrow keys. The arrow keys enable you to move through the worksheet. You can navigate one cell at a time in the specified direction by using these arrow keys. The second aspect is the scroll bars, positioned on the right and the bottom of the Excel worksheet. These bars facilitate swift navigation within the worksheet. The third method involves using the mouse wheel. By holding down the control key while scrolling, the mouse wheel will allow you to zoom in or zoom out. It is particularly useful when dealing with important data. When you wish to efficiently navigate to a specific cell, utilize the Go To feature. Simply press Ctrl G, input the desired cell reference. For instance, type J25. Click OK, and Excel will promptly take you to your designated location. An alternative technique involves utilizing the name box. It is positioned adjacent to the formula bar. Start by selecting a specific cell. Let's take J25 as an example. Change its name by clicking on it and assigning a name in the name box portion. For instance, you can label it as Raphael Addison, and then press Enter. To confirm this, scroll to the top of our data. Now, use the drop-down arrow in the name box. Select the designated name, such as Raphael Addison. This approach proves to be a convenient way to efficiently navigate through your data. Navigating between your sheets becomes considerably quicker using keyboard shortcuts. To demonstrate, insert new sheets by pressing Shift and F11. Now, to move to the next sheet, just press Ctrl and Page down, while Ctrl and Page up returns you to the previous one. To expedite your navigation further, employ the name box to instantly switch to a particular sheet. As an illustration, go to the last sheet in your workbook and label it Sheet 13. This enables us swift access to it. To exemplify, let's return to Sheet 1, and in the name box above, choose Sheet 13. This demonstrates how to seamlessly jump to a specific sheet. If you find this information helpful, please consider leaving a like and comment. Don't forget to subscribe for more useful tips. Thank you.